Hi everyone, I'm Junmeng from Shanghai Jiao Tong University, and currently I am a visiting PhD student at CBE. It is my pleasure to share with you our latest research on updating the ankle draft risk model for winter conditions. Ankle draft is defined as unwanted local cooling of the ankle caused by air movement. In 2017, we developed ankle draft risk model, and this model was later incorporated into ASHRAE Standard 55 as a design reference. However, this existing model was designed for displacement ventilation and UFAD applications in summer indoor cooling. In winter, although there's typically no cold airflow delivered from displacement ventilation, cool-down drafts near windows are still generally considered as a major source of discomfort and often drive parameter heating system design. The main concern is that this existing model may misestimate the ankle draft risk in winter. If it overestimates the risk, it may lead to oversized or even unnecessary parameter heating system design. If it underestimates it, occupants may feel discomfortable. So this raises a simple but important question. Does this existing model work for typical winter conditions? With funding support from Schüco, Kieran Tiblock, and CBE, we conducted a human subject experiment last winter in CBE Environmental Control Chamber to answer this question. In this experiment, we simulated a typical occupied office in winter where subjects performed light work in a thermally neutral room. We simulated window downdrafts in the chamber, and each subject was exposed to conditions that combined different ankle-level airspeeds and air temperatures. We collected subjective responses on local and overall summer sensation, together with air movement acceptability and preference. Using this experimental data, we then applied the existing ankle draft risk model to calculate the mean predicted dissatisfaction percentage for each experimental condition and compared it with what we observed. The result shows that under all conditions, the existing model predicted dissatisfaction percentage ranging from 20% to nearly 60%. However, this is not consistent with what we observed. In reality, the dissatisfaction percentage all remained below 20% under all conditions. On average, the existing model overestimates by 23%, and in the worst case, by nearly 40%. In other words, if we use this existing model to assess ankle draft risk in winter, it may encourage the installation of unnecessary parameter heating systems. To better help designers and engineers design, we developed a winter extension model. Under winter condition, the allowable range of ankle-level airspeeds rises substantially. That is, at the ankle-level airspeed commonly found in practical applications, the ankle draft risk is low. We are very encouraged by these findings. Our study proves that existing model isn't accurate, and the acceptable range of airspeed is much wider than that under summer conditions. The use of parameter heating systems needs to be considered more cautiously to achieve more energy savings. We hope our work can help our indoor environments become more comfortable and energy efficient. And sorry for there's no time for Q&A questions sections, and if you are interested in this project, just join the breakout session on monitoring thermal comfort. We will discuss about the interesting thermal comfort things. Thank you.